Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'll show you how you can get portrait mode on any iPhone that you have. Particularly I have iPhone 7 over here, so I'm going to show you how you can get portrait mode on your iPhone without doing jailbreak. So this is the app what you need. So this app is called Focus. So it is very simple and very easy to use app, and with the help of this app you can get this kind of portrait shot. Those looks very amazing and interesting. As you can see, the portrait modes and all the things looks very amazing. So let's start without wasting the times. So this app is 100% free, so you don't need to pay for anything. Just download this app from the app store. And now let's go inside of the app, and over here you can also get the selfie portraits as I took. Here is the sample. So you can get the selfie portrait like iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 10, iPhone 10 Max. Anyway, that doesn't matter. The thing is, you should go inside of the app, and after going inside of the app, what you should do is just click on the capture button and you're done. So as you can see, all the samples, all the examples that I have shown you, that how you can get all your photos, then that's the way you can get all the photos. So now you can get portrait modes with the front and also the back camera. So after clicking one photo, go inside of the photo and click on that photo, and now it is calculating the depth of field, and it will take a little time, like 5 to 10 seconds. And after that, as you can see, the result, it is super amazing. It looks like that you captured this photo with iPhones, any iPhones or even any DSLRs. It doesn't look anything like anything bad or that kind of thing. So this is the way how you can get portrait mode on any iPhone without doing what? Jailbreak. Yes, without doing jailbreak. Anyway, so this was all for this one. So this was a quick and simple little video. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, press the bell icon and press the notification button if you like this one, because it is very essential and important to have portrait mode on any phone, not only iPhone, any phone. Yes, obviously, really. Anyway, so these are all for this one. See you in another one. Until then, what you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, and if you like, be sure to like and comment down anything if you have on your mind. This was a quick video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed. Goodbye.